Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add shadows in Canva. So first of all, open up Canva. Now once you're in Canva, create a new project. Now after we created a project, upload the picture that you want to add shadow to. Now keep in mind, for this purpose I prefer background removed pictures so that the shadow looks more realistic. I'll be going for this background removed picture. Just click on it and it will be added to the canvas. Adjust it as you want. After that, select the picture and in here go to effects. Now in here go to effects and in here click on shadows. Now in here you can select different types of shadows you want to. I will go for glow as it looks more realistic. And after you selected your style, click on these buttons and it will give you the customization menu for that particular style. You can increase or decrease the size of the shadow. I like to keep it minimal so it looks realistic. You can increase or decrease the blur amount. I keep it at medium, and then from here you can change the color of the shadow. You can make it any color you want. I will leave it black, and in here you can adjust the intensity of the shadow as well. I like to keep that low as well. And after that you can download it, and that's how you can add shadows in Canva. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add shadows in Canva. So first of all, open up Canva. Now once you're in Canva, create a project and upload the picture that you want to add a shadow to. Now for creating a shadow, a background removed object is preferred so that the shadow looks more realistic. I'll be going for this background remove feature right here. Just click on it and it will be added to the canvas. Adjust it as you want. After you have adjusted it, select it and click on edit image. And in here, scroll down and look for shadows in the effects window. Click on it. And now in here, you'll have different modes to choose from. You can go for glow, drop, outline, facelift, and some more as well. I will go for, let's say, glow, as it looks more realistic. Then if you scroll down, you will have the adjustment controls right here. For example, you can increase or decrease the size of the shadow as you want. I like to keep it low. Then you can reduce or increase the blur amount. I will keep it low as well. And then after that, you can change the color of the shadow from here as well. Just click on it and change the color of the shadow. And you can also adjust the intensity of the shadow. I will increase it a bit. And after that, you can just simply download it. And that is how you can add shadows in Canva.